Hey gang, and welcome. Today I'm just going to be showing you how to make your own gang sheet on our website transfergang.com. So right here at the top you see DTF Gangsheet, so give that a click, as well as Online Gang Sheet Builder. It'll take just a second and then this page should load up. This is our DTF Gangsheet Builder select size and quantity page. For the sake of example today we're just going to do one, and we're going to do a 3-foot gang sheet. So we're going to go ahead and click on building your own gang sheet. Should take just a second. And here we have our gang sheet builder. So with this, you can upload your own file. You can add some text just like this. Transfer gang. You can move it wherever you'd like on your gang sheet, and that's how it'll print out. You can resize it just as you can here, and it'll let you know if it's a little bit too big or a little bit too small. Also, if you'd like, we have this really neat autofill option where if you want a bunch of copies of this text or perhaps the image that you send into us, you can just click duplicate, 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 and it'll just keep making these for you. For the sake of example, I'm going to go ahead and give these a good old delete because we don't need all of them. Plus, there's some cool more features that I'd like to show you. So, for the sake of example, we're going to go over here to our designs that we already have uploaded and ready for you. We'll go through these cute spooky ones here. Right off the bat, you can see that this one just seems to be a little bit too big for the gang sheet, a little bit too large, and that'll let you know when it's the perfect size on your sheet. From there, you can just go ahead and load up your sheet. Okay, so my sheet's completely done here and filled out. There's something we wanted to let you know real quick. You've probably noticed while making your own sheet that these little preview markings are all over your designs. Not to worry, these will not print out whenever you go ahead and purchase your gang sheet. That's just there to protect all of the awesome art that we have loaded up. So whenever you're done, you can go ahead and click confirm. And on this page, you can add some more sheets. You can duplicate the design you already have. You can edit the design, or you can add a whole new design. From there, just go ahead and confirm your design and then move forward, and we'll get those sent out to you as soon as possible. Thank you.